Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content and at the moment we're celebrating Vlogmas by doing a Christmassy upload every single day until Christmas. I will probably be uploading to New Year because you know me, I love putting out content for you guys. So yeah, and in this video we are going, well, we're on Vlogmas day 7, can you believe it? No, 7? 8. We're on 8. I am going to be unboxing this W7 Bee-Utiful box. I actually did get this in B&M for, I want to say £10 because I can't remember, I've thrown out the receipt. It is on the W7 website for £10, so it's a nice little gift set and I thought I'll unbox it so you guys can see if you do think it's worth it and if you should pass it on to a friend. So let's open it. Well, let's talk about the box. It is called Bee-Utiful and it actually looks like honeycomb all around the edges. Very reflective, I'm very sorry about that. It has, I want to say, a eyeliner, a lip gloss and an eyeshadow palette. So 3 items from W7 for £10. It doesn't say on here if it is cruelty free or vegan. Maybe it's on the actual items, so let's just open it up. The back is annoying because you got to kind of, this might be annoying for you, got to open up all these back bits and then, oh okay, you slide it out. Okay, so you only have to open like 2 on one side. This is what the inside looks like. Again, it's got the honeycomb gold outline all around it, and then you have this eyeliner in here. So it is a black eyeliner, so it would be perfect for someone starting out. It is a bit scratchy, but do you know what? Let's test it out and pull it on my eyes just for you guys. It's nice, it's quite tough, so it does scratch your eyelids a little bit. It did work. It's not the creamiest of formulas and it's not the most pigmented of formulas, so it is nice for someone just starting out. I would say for someone like me who has a really nice creamy Maybelline one, probably won't reach for this that often. Ooh. And then we have this lip topper, or is it a lip gloss in My Honey. It is so gold. There it is. It's literally a yellowy gold lip topper. Should we put some on for you guys? Nice thin formula, so you can build it up or shear it out as much as you like. And oh my god, it goes with this lip combo so well. If you want to know what this lip combo is, please head over to my collab video from Sunday. It's very nice, very sheer. Oh, I didn't smell it. Shall I smell it? It kind of smells like that honey smell. I don't like honey smells. It kind of has that scent to it. It's not tingling my lips. It feels really nice, really like I've got glosses like this. I'm not saying I won't use it. I actually will gravitate towards it and I'm probably gonna put it in my everyday stuff because I would actually use it because you can't actually see the yellowness in it and it does make my lips look more plump, and you know, I kind of love that when that happens. So yeah, it's a really nice gloss. The last thing in this gift set is the eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited for this because it's just like a mini 8-pan eyeshadow palette. It's a tin. I'm not a big fan of tin. I don't like the Forever Flawless tin eyeshadows from Revolution, like the tins. I do like the eyeshadow itself, I just don't like tins. And I actually found this one in B&M as well, which is a nice pinky brownie neutral palette. So if you do want me to do a eye look on this, let me know. I feel like this resembles either Cherry from Urban Decay or Naked 3. I do have Naked 3, so if it does look similar I could do a comparison video. This is what it looks like. It is very gold, very got honey drips all over it. It says Baby Bee on it and all the buzz. It again doesn't say if any of this stuff is vegan or cruelty free, so maybe we have to look on their website. But look at that, they're very thin. I thought they were going to be in squares. I did not expect them to be in rectangles because on the back, as you can see, they're square pans. There's actually 6. I thought there was going to be 8. And you got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, so not too bad. And let's swatch them. So you got this cream shade, then you got this light gold and a yellow gold, and then what looks like more of a greeny gold. Because I've just used XX, these are not the creamiest of eyeshadows, but they would do for a beginner or a gift set. They would really do. Or for someone who doesn't wear enough makeup and just likes their neutral, this will do. And then you've got like more of an orangey transition shade with a brown transition shade. And there we have it. Again, not the most pigmented eyeshadows, but W7 works. I've used W7 and I like W7 stuff, so sorry, my hair keeps getting in my eye. So I would say this is a good little gift set for someone, and it is cute. There's a little mirror in there. Okay, it's tin and it's a bit fat as well, but it would fit into someone's makeup bag very well. It could be your everyday palette. You could take this away with you when we can start going away places, or if you're staying at someone for Christmas, this would be a nice little one to take for you. So you could buy it for yourself or you could buy it for someone, and I'm sure you could find a discount code on W7 if you wanted to order online. There's always discount codes flying around, so please use them. It is a very cute little palette, and they've all got names. So starting from here, you've got Milk, Buzzin', Raw, Royal, Nectar and Pure. So they've actually all got names, so if you're like me and do tutorials, you can say the names. I don't really mind if there's names or not, but I do mind if they're on the plastic and not on the palette, because then what's the point? But I love the packaging of this. I love the price point of it. £10, 3 items, perfect gift for someone. Okay, the eyeliner is a bit more tougher than you're used to, so it's not something I would reach for, but the gloss and the palette, I would easily reach for this day in and day out, especially for work. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of me unboxing the W7 Bee-Utiful gift set. So if you did, please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.
Merry Christmas!